Hey everyone, LWJ here, and I'm going over to meet up with my niece at her work because she's going to be off in about 5 minutes. But while I'm out here in Little Tokyo, there's, like I said before, there's 2 Starbucks here. And while I'm in the process of doing my taste test, I'm about to do the 3rd drink I always get at Starbucks, passion tea lemonade. So, just cut the crap and get to it. It's good as usual. Now, they also have green tea and black tea. I prefer the passion because it's got that, the passion fruit adds a little flavor to it. And there goes my phone again. What is me making these videos and my phone goes off? Well, the reason why is because one of the people that I found one of the people that goes to the church I work at, she had a heart attack, and I posted on both of her kids' profiles that my best wishes and prayers are with her and her family. So, yeah. Well, like I said, this is good. I prefer the passion tea because the passion fruit brings out flavor. And that's all I gotta say. So, LWJ saying thank you all for watching. See y'all next time. Take care of yourselves.
You think you know me?